So this week we're out in Myall Lakes National Park. We're setting up a series of camera traps and passive acoustic recorders to monitor the movements of dingoes and their communication in the environment, and natural communication. So the Myall Lakes Dingo Project is a collaboration between the Centre for Ecosystem Science at the University of New South Wales and Taronga. We established it in 2019 with the aim of developing and testing non-lethal management tools for dingoes. Obviously living alongside dingoes is difficult, particularly for livestock producers, and at the moment the tools that they have at their disposal are for the most part lethal control. So we're trying to fill this gap with a biologically relevant non-lethal tool. We're also trying to understand the communication system of dingoes, so how dingoes communicate their ownership of space or territories, particularly the use of scent and sound, so howls. To do that, we've established a number of camera trap stations on known marking spots, which we find with a National Parks and Wildlife Service trained scat detection dog called Rain. We've also got a number of radio collared dogs, dingoes, around the national park. So part of our job this week is to catch up with them, check how they're going. The collars record their location every couple of hours and send that via satellite. So we're able to see how they're ranging, and importantly, when our experiment starts, how their ranging is affected by the tools that we're testing. So the sounds and scents of other dingoes in the environment. In addition to those techniques, we also have a sort of citizen science sightings reporting form on our website, carnivorecoexistence.info, where members of the public or anyone who sees a dingo can record that sighting, and that's very useful for us in developing a picture of where these individuals and packs are ranging, particularly for uncollared dingoes, because we can identify those animals by their sort of unique coat patterns, particularly the white on the leg and some other features. So the camera traps are generating literally thousands of images of wildlife from the area. So whenever an animal wanders past the camera, it's detected and an image is taken. It's not selective to dingoes, so we have a really massive job in working out or in getting the data from those cameras. We've set up a citizen science project on the Zooniverse platform. And currently the zoo volunteers are testing that process, and they're doing a fantastic job in identifying the critters on the cameras. So the project is funded by the Herman Slade Foundation and Taronga, and we're working on the ground with local partners from National Parks and Wildlife Service and a number of other partners in the area, including Mid Coast Council. So it's a real collaborative effort.